Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize cart page in Shopify done. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on the done theme of Shopify. Now in here, I have here my product page on my website. And as you can see, there's an add to cart button. Now when I click on that, it will add this specific thing to our cart. So let's view what our cart look like right now. So my cart looks like this right now. I have this very simple design. So if you want to actually edit that app, head over in here under the themes and click on customize right here. Now, when you head over in here, you should be able to see some specific pages in here. So in here, you can also see here the cart icon that we have. And when you click on that, you can show in here what it will look like. So for example, you can actually just click on a specific part of this specific page, then head over and click on this change right here on the color scheme. So for example, you want to make it this midnight blue, just click on that, and under the subscribe emails, you can also change that into a darker blue as well. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. But if you don't want to use spree, you can just head over and put that edit right here and then edit out the background color that they have associated with this. So for example, let's make it into a green color thing. So as you can see, we have now created this green card. So let me just adjust the colors into something nicer, just like this. So as you can see, this is my actual cart page. So in here, you can also sign up, follow and shop, social media icons, and obvious things right here. So let's head over and click on save. And now that the change has been saved, let's head over again to our website and let's try to refresh what it looks like. And now as you can see, this has been edited as well, and I can actually see that I have changed what it looks like on this done theme. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below. And if you also found this video helpful, then leave like below as well or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.